All right, everybody, it is about that time. And we are live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. It's January 23rd. January 23rd. And as we know, Bitcoin is taking a little break. You know, it had a nice run for a while. It's resting, you know, hibernating, so to speak. As a result, a lot of people are panicking. They don't understand the cycles. They're not plugged into the energy, and they don't understand the resonance of the markets around them, right? That's the opportunity here, is to understand that everything is a cycle of two things, one that came before it and one that's coming after, right? And we're just here in the present, the effervescent, right? And cognizant, but always cognizant of what's happening around us and what's yet to come. With that being said, this is a big buying opportunity. There's money to be made. And right here, right now, I'm here to tell you how to get it. This is your first time tuning in. Congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. You know me as the crypto trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day. You get to profit as a result, and today is no exception. So we are jumping into our Facebook community right now to pick a cash winner, win some free Ethereum from my wallet to yours. Let's see who it's going to be. Let's load up a couple more names. January 23rd, 1 + 2 is 3 + 3 is 6. Let's go 6 up from, let's go 6 down from the top, right? Big B, what's going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, Market Ranger, 5. Messed that up. Let's restart over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam! Louis Joe Carter. You are our free Ethereum winner. Do me a favor. Shoot me a message with your wallet. I will send you a couple bucks in F as a token of my appreciation. Thank you, Mr. Carter, or Miss Carter, maybe Miss Carter, for your patronage. I do appreciate your support. Hit me up to get paid. And it's just that easy to get paid. I give away some Ethereum every day. I'm fortunate enough to grace this microphone with my voice. You know, my aspiration is to allow the world to be enlightened by the knowledge that has been given to those engaged in the blockchain. And that is that this is world-changing innovation, right? Don't let the bobbleheads on TV tell you that Bitcoin's a bubble. It's a scam. It's a Ponzi scheme, because the biggest Ponzi scheme I know, you know, the biggest Ponzi scheme in town, running around, you know, with this green paper with these dead guys' face on it. This is a Ponzi scheme beyond belief, but they'll never tell you that because they worship these green faces right there. I don't, right? A lot of people that moved over to the blockchain, we don't, right? And so now we understand that we are literally rebuilding civilization from the inside out, merging it onto the blockchain, right? And making society, ideally making society a lot better as a result. This industry is self-selected. That's why many people, you know, are unaware that this is literally changing the game. If you're on Facebook, chances are you're one of those people, right? A lot of people on Facebook still trapped under the debt, death, and the depression of the dollar. I'm not one of them. I don't want you to be one of them. Come on over to the money team, where we got 20,000 of my best friends that come together 7 days a week to help each other stay empowered and profit in the marketplace. We don't pump and dump each other. We don't need no BitConnect referral code. Sorry if you had one. You know, this is just straight intellect, knowledge, and insight on how we can win in the markets, right? And so that's what I do every day. I come on, I show a chart, a couple charts. I let you know how you can profit and prosper in the market, you know, and as a result, you know, we're 20,000 strong, growing every day. And it's really amazing. Shout out to the Bitfinex team. They just got listed on Binance. You know, this is another amazing coin, amazing community, bringing people together and changing the world one day at a time. So let's jump over and make this money. As I told you guys, there's a lot of people out there scared. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people out there, you know what I'm saying, just scared to lose the little bit of money that they got, right? So they see Bitcoin's price go down. Oh my God, it's 12,000. Oh my God, it's 11,000. Oh my God, it's back up to 12,000. Let me tell you something. Scared money don't make none, right? And at the end of the day, the only thing that's changing between point A and point B, the only thing that's changing is the number on the screen. That's all it is. It's just a number on the screen. So you understand that it's a number, treat it as a math problem, and let's break down the little pieces of that number to understand what the next number is going to be. That's it. And I got a hint for you. You ain't go find it on no Twitter board. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be from no LinkedIn profile of a development team. This is energy. This is resonance. This is consciousness. This is the collective wherewithal that brings everything together, replicating itself inside of a chart, right? A candle, a moving average, right? And this is the theology I use to build this whole operation, right? So with that being said, let's jump over to, I'm loading it up on my screen right now. Oh, real quick, before we do that, shout out to my man Yusef for hooking a brother up one time. Hold on, let me get y'all the 360. Bam! Got me looking fresh out here like I'm 22 years old again. Came home, my girl jumped on me. She said, boy. She said she gotta keep me in the house this weekend. Don't be going nowhere. So yeah, this is one of the best barbers in Atlanta, no joke. Diamond cuts, you know what I'm saying? Even got his patented, hold on. Brother got his own patented glove, you know what I'm saying? So all I'm gonna be doing every now and then is just swirling around, you know, getting a nice curl action. This is the curl sponge glove. My dude invented, patented, you know, and if you go down there, you might see a couple people you recognize, you know what I'm saying? Real like attract likes, and the energy of the universe brings us all closer together, right? And that's what we're here for, is really to empower each other. So shout out, thank you to my man Yusef. Also, he one of the community members, dude. You know what I'm saying? We sat down and had a nice little meeting, talked about the chart, showed him the Fibonacci, and you know, it was really incredible, really amazing. So this thing is literally bringing the world together, right? So if you ever in Atlanta, definitely hit him up, because dude is banging, you know what I'm saying, on the blades. So here we go. Let's go ahead and jump over to this chart right now. One of the requests I got earlier, I forget who it was, but one of the guys in the chat asked me specifically if I could do a chart that was relatively new and had all of the time, right, that a 343 has, right? For those of you guys that don't know, or may just be getting started in crypto, this is our method. Let me cut myself off. I know, you know what I'm saying? I know, but let me just bring it over here. I don't want y'all looking at this and not be able to look at that. You know what I'm saying? So let me take this off real quick. There we go. And so this is one of the coins, you guys. Let me cut off this extra stuff. This is NXT. And this is one of the coins that you can buy to profit during this downtrend. When I think about what this coin is doing right now, I think about the quote from the movie 300, when, you know, they're you know, the Xerxes want him to surrender, you know, and he said, yeah, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So it's 300 of you guys, you'll never survive. Like, that's all right. We got it. We got it. We got it. You go have to come to us. He's like, our arrows will block out the sun. And then the one dude said, well, we shall fight in the shade. And that's what we doing right now. We going to find low ground, right? And we go fight in the shade. That's literally what's happening. That's literally where this chart is so far under that most people have forgotten about it in the depths of the belly of the beast. But guess what? This whole time, Bitcoin, people done lost their mind with about all that long money, all these long investors done lost their mind with the price Bitcoin then dropped. But this thing on the bottom has held its own, right? That is a major, major sign of strength, right? Relative to the market. For everybody that don't know, this is the boss method. It's 3 simple moving averages, a 7, the white line, a 77, the blue line, and a 231, that shaded columns right there. And this is patented intellectual property owned exclusively for the rights of Brandon Kelly, LLC. It's a method of the people, for the people, by the people. So if you are a profit-seeking entity, you do not ever have my express written consent to use it. But if you just, somebody sick and tired of being sick and tired, use it and use it abundantly. It works quite well. There are 2 rules. Let me show you. Rule number 1, when that 7, that white line, when that 7 goes above that 77, ching, ching, get your ticket on the money train because it's time to get paid. That's what happens, you guys. This is called quick momentum. This is called the fast stochastic MACD. Forex got about 8 different words. Still don't know what they're talking about it. This is fractal harmonics at the end of the day, right? When the quick money is in it, you need to be in it too. And the white line is our quick money, right? When the quick money leaves, you need to leave too. Why? Because if it ain't paying, it ain't staying, right? So if we would have just followed the boss method on this one trade alone, look at that. Hit them over the head with it. 700% Bitcoin in 38 days, right? That's not bad. That's not bad. And now the whole market, and then we sell it, right? Then we give it back to Wall Street. We say, thank you guys. Come again, right? We give it back to them. We let them take that loss. And now, guess what? Guess what time it is? It's time to get paid. And the only reason, guys, normally I don't like to buy under the 231, but in this situation, I do, because I understand that the entire market, for the most part, is going to be coming under that 231. And because we have strength here at the floor, that money is going to be looking for a safe haven, right? And if we buy real estate on this chart, then by definition, it will increase. It's outperformed Bitcoin almost 3 to 1, right? Bitcoin has gone down, what, 90%? And this coin, just in the past week, let's see. Stretch this out a week. Just in the past week, this coin has gone up 25%. Bitcoin has gone down almost 40%, right? So that's almost 2 to 1, right? That's good. That's good, right? So this is a safe haven coin, you guys. This is one of them. It's NXT. I'm not saying this is the, savior of the market. I'm just saying in desperate times, you better grab a weapon and cling on to whatever you can hold, right? To hold your ground and defend the money that you earned. This is one of the coins you can do it with. NXT. Right? And then when you make your money, go ahead, give it back to the Wall Street, give it back, pass it back to the circle jerk boys on Wall Street, tell them they can have it, we done with it, and we go on to the next one. What's the next one gonna be? M-O-N-A. Bam! Mona. The baddest thing walking in 6-inch heels. I don't want that one. Oh, Monaco coming back alive, though. Don't be fooled. Monocoin, the baddest thing walking in 6-inch heels. And this is the exact same way. Look at it. Just look at the price action. We can go to the beginning of this year, roughly the beginning of this year, right there, January 6th to today. Mona has increased 20% in the past 2 weeks, right? Let's compare that to Bitcoin. Just for general, comparison. What has Bitcoin done past 2 weeks? Ow! Oh, shoot! Ow! Crap! During that exact same time, Bitcoin has lost 40%, roughly. Again, 2 to 1 on your money. Instead of losing 40%, we gain 25%. Dollar for dollar BTC, right? And so Mona is in a different situation. This one has almost completed one full cycle. This was actually a coin. If you guys don't remember, I did a video. Let me see. It was called Secrets of the Pyramids. This is when I blew some people's mind. I think this is when them scam artists on Wall Street learned what my name was when I made this video right here. Secrets of the Pyramids. That's what it looked like. October 2017. Broke Mona's chart down like a fraction. And then about 24 hours later, no joke, this thing turned around on a complete cosmic reversal, and made about 300%, right? And all I did, I was just plugged into the charts. It actually came through our community. Somebody said, "Hey, BK, what you think about Mona?" I ain't never heard the chart's name before. I didn't even know who Mona was. I used to go to school with a girl named Mona. That's the last time I seen, that's the last time I seen that name. Looked at the chart. I said, oh. Said, this is what they mean. This is how it all comes together. 1 + 2 = 3. This is the Fibonacci scale, huh? 0, 1, 1.6. Y'all better do your research, understand that a lot of the energy that we resonate with is much bigger than us. So, you can go back, just click back. I'll leave all my videos up there. Just click back in the link in the description. Go to October, look at BK's videos, find that thumbnail, and you will see how not only did I predict, but I pinpointed almost the exact moment in time when this chart was breaking out and breaking down, right? And now we see we're essentially on this long-term uptrend. And if we drew a trend line from this intersection to this intersection, this would basically give us our run rate. You see that? So what that means is anything under that line is basically a buy. If we copy and paste it, throw it up top, anything over that line theoretically would be a sell. And just by doing that, look at that, right? Sell it, buy it. Just by doing that, we can nail this chart down pretty good. Mona is completing a cycle to where pretty soon, and I would do my Fibonacci on this thing, just break out the breakdown, right? Let's see here. Where did I put this at before? Yeah, it's just, wow. So this is how you know it's a complete cycle. When you get, and I'm gonna go down to a 77. So you guys can see it on the 231. But whoever was asking, can you do like a quicker chart? This is how you do it. When you have, not enough data, or you're looking for more information, you just jump down to a 77, right? And look at what happens. You got the exact same intersections, the exact same information, but look at this. Look at this. Look at the 231 on the 77. That's how you know the inside of the cycle. A lot of people ask me, why do I use the 231? That's why I use it, because when you go down to a 77, it basically pinpoints that parabola is your growth curve. It's your soul, your life cycle. can see that this thing broke out, rolled down on a little dovetail, just like statistics class in the 10th grade. And then slowly it's coming back to life, right? This is a beautiful, beautiful technical structure right here, right? In addition to that, if we just do almost like an inverse Fibonacci, where we take the starting point right there, right? We come all the way out to our terminal point right here. What does that give us? What does that give us? That gives us our maximum point right here, right? The natural scales of the Fibonacci. What does that mean for Mona? That means that our next breakout will look something like this. You can see it's starting to follow it almost to the T, right? So we can see that this thing is going to have a lot of quick energy coming into it pretty soon. Where do we expect it to cap out at? Between there and when that top trend line hits the edge of this triangle right there. You see that? You could argue even the maximum of the Fibonacci right there, right? So this is kind of going to be, I would like to say this would be almost a completion of our breakout. Going to be right around there. And this one's going to be pretty close to the explosion. So it's going to be another quick burst, right? So where we break out, go up, bam, hit it, and we come back down. Where do I expect to come back down? I expect to come back down right to that 1.6. Actually, that's going to be the 3.2, and then we're going to start an even bigger cycle. I expect to come down right around there, right? This is a good chart, you guys. This is one of the stronger charts for the moment. I'm not saying Mona is the #1 lockdown chart for 2018. No. But for the next 8 weeks, it just might be, right? And that's what we look for. That's how you make money. That's how you beat the market. And that is how you chart like a boss. Oh, that's cool. Mona's good, you guys. Mona is a very, very, very good coin. And this just kind of takes you through a little bit of analysis on the inside of it. What up, Nani? What up, John Carlos? To show you guys, what to expect in the future. A lot of people say you can't use the past to predict the future. Well, a lot of them don't know how to even look in a mirror. And that's really all we're doing. We're just looking in the mirror, breaking down the different parts of influence, the inflection, right? And I'm not one to, intentionally believe everything that's put in front of me, right? Because put it this way, if them bobbleheads on TV were that good at making money, chances are they wouldn't be accepting $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 a year just to be a bobblehead on TV. They're still trading their time for money. And that's the biggest deficit we as a people need to overcome, is we need to stop giving our time away for this fake paper. This is literally worthless. The only thing that makes this of any value is the fact that on the other end, you got somebody willing to take it from you for $5. When I was growing up, $5 could get you a lot. I used to go to the corner store with $5. I thought I was rich. My mama can't. I remember Christmas come, one of your uncles give you $5. You look at it like, wow. You know what I'm saying? Now it ain't nothing. You can't even get a Happy Meal for $5, right? But this is a system of design. This is the problem with American capitalism, right? Corporate-induced capitalism is that this paper decreases in value about 90 to 95% over 30 years. So by the time, from the time I was little to the time right now, this is next to nothing, right? That's a system of design. That's called inflation. They lied to you to tell you that we need inflation to stimulate the economy, trickle down economics, you know, all this BS where the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. At the end of the day, that's what's happening, right? Let's siphon money from the brokest people who need it the most, shoot it up to the top of that pyramid, right? And it never comes back down, right? Because I'll tell you a secret right now. They say inflation gonna be what, 4 or 5% a year. You know what I'm saying? For me, 4 or 5% ain't nothing. That's just one less vacation I get to take. I'm going to Colombia in 2 days. Holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Dropping a couple stacks on that. But, you know, that's just one less trip, right? To whereas when I was working for $2 an hour plus tips, if you took 5% of my money, that was the difference between putting gas in my car and paying a light bill. Having the phone get cut off, you know, and being able to drive to work the next day, paying your car payment or your car insurance. You know what I'm saying? So do not allow yourself to believe that literally cutting your money down fraction by fraction is going to be beneficial for you, because it's not. But that's what their system is designed to do. I no longer value money, but once you stop valuing something, you place it in something else. Guess what? You change your perception of value. Now you change your worth, right? And that's what we as a people must begin to do. Fiat makes me sick. Can't get rid of it fast enough. That being said, this is what we got nowadays. You know, a couple new platforms, new year, new me. You know what I'm saying? Holla. What's up? One time. We got Patreon. Steam it. Patreon again. Links in the #1 comment on this video. It's only about 5 or 6 spots of these left. Our Boss Alert service, where basically every day you'll get an update on what coins are breaking out in the market or breaking down. So look forward to that. Everybody that already joined, I will be sending a quick message on the software to download. It's an app that we're going to be using. I'll send an email probably tomorrow just to give you guys a heads up on how that's going to happen. And then as soon as I come back from Colombia, I'll make a video to walk everybody through that onboarding. And this is our website, you guys, bossofbitcoin.com. You go to bossofbitcoin.com. There's a link right there for the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. 2 biggest things I wanted to share with you guys are #1, the Cryptopolis report, 10 coins that will change the future. Like I said, we're rebuilding civilization from the inside out on the blockchain. And if you're just getting started, then it's well worth your time to get this package, right? It's literally a document hand selected from me, myself, and our community that will, you know, bolster your chances of streamlining your path to success on the blockchain, right? 10 coins that to build the road that will get us to Cryptopia. I'm gonna change this Cryptopia, the Cryptopia report. So it's pretty cool. Again, if you're in the chat right now, do me a favor, shout your country out. I want to see a kaleidoscope of nations when we come back over, right? I got you, Luijo. I see it. And then next up, we got the Dream Team. This is the next generation of greatness. They say it don't take a lot of dollars to get a lot of percent. In so much that you can buy every coin on this list right now with just a $20 bill, right? It is literally, some coins are very new. Therefore, this last little dip in the market crushed them, right? NXT is one of those coins, crushed, but it was crushed 3 months ago. Now it's held its own. That's basically the market saying, hey, we good. We ain't selling no more. We buying, right? And a lot of these coins are at that level right now. So if you're just getting started, the Dream Team is definitely a list you want to check out as well. And so with that being said, those are our new platforms, Patreon, Boss of Bitcoin, and then steemit.com at BK Crypto Trader. This is my new Steemit page to where every other day or so I'm posting a new chart, new information for the Steemit community. I'm trying to expand all the platforms that we facilitate this information on. I'm no longer monetizing this channel on YouTube. I own my own voice outright. And so Steemit is one of the platforms I'm using to communicate some of this information to you guys as well. So if you're on Steemit, make sure you go follow me on there at BK Crypto Trader. Again, this is a chart I just posted last night, breaking down Bitcoin and a trajectory that we're going down right now. So let's bring our chat back up and see who all we have rocking out with the boss. Looks like we got Uruguay. What's going on? St. Lucia. I ain't seen you in a while. Belgium, Canada, Australia, UK, Canada 2 times. What's up? New Zealand, Amsterdam, Holland, Colorado Springs, 90 Crypto holding it down for NZ. Market Ranger, boss walking on the West Coast. And Juan Carlos, Mr. 305, you know what I'm saying, getting a tan down there in South Beach. You know what I'm saying? Texas, what's going on? Mexico, Viva to the fam. Canada, Joe Carter, I got you. Australia, Trinidad, Tejas, right? Let's do a couple more. Cameroon in the jungle. We mad money too. Appreciate it. Arizona, what's up? Two more. Let's get 2 more. Satoshi Yoshi. That's actually a really good name. That's creative. You guys have some creative names. I'll give you that. Utah, Game of Crypto. And last one. ATL. Bam. Hey, Courtney, if you know somebody that needs to be cut up, I'm trying to tell you, go grab my man Yusuf, you know what I'm saying, down there at Diamond Cuts. He'll get you together, you know. Chances are you'll know who this man is. So there we go, everybody. With that being said, just some, you know, words of wisdom. You know, I think during this time it's especially important to take a step back and remember what we're doing in the first place. And this is a quote that I saw. You've got to get to the stage in life where going for it is more important than winning or losing. Remember what I told you guys. It's only so much you go get from this little piece of paper. And a lot of it is a lot of broken dreams and a lot of broken promises. It's a whole new world on the other side of that blockchain bridge. And that's the world we're building right now. So while it may be a little scary, it may be a little frightening, you don't get a paycheck with your time hours billed out to it every 2 weeks, neatly deposited into your fiat bank account. I know that's not set up, but that's what they've been droned us, you know, to accept as status quo and uniformity. It's none of that, right? It's literally prime time real estate. It's a land of opportunity, right? And if the dollar was that great, then it wouldn't have all the problems that come along with it. So it's just food for thought, you guys. At the end of the day, it's all numbers on a screen. Just understand what we're doing while we're building it. And as we move along that path, let us not, you know, forget our brothers and sisters that's still under the debt, depth, and depression of the dollar. You know, let's come back and grab them. You know what I'm saying? Bring them in to shelter and safety. You know what I'm saying? On this cryptoverse. That being said, it's that time of the day. Sounding out, this the boss, boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil, the Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Like, subscribe, and share. Text this video to somebody you care about. Each one, reach one, reach one, teach one. I just gave you 2 coins, you guys, to make a lot of money in the next couple weeks. Let's share the wealth. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no fun if the homeboy don't get none. So bring a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, right? Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.